Hello everybody and welcome back to Final Fantasy 1 Pixel Remaster. Last time we defeated Astos and now we have the Mystic Key and we are going back to that Marsh Cave. But without, I think, with grinding, of course. So I can... Oh, what? Why that? Wait, let me... Oh my. Now standard. One style, yes. There you go. Pixelated. So, let's move. Okay. Point. A bloom. Out. Two. E. They are not leveling up together now, huh? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. Nice. Oh. I think let's go here for now. Wait, what kind of magic did the character have? Okay. Okay. Big haste. Ow. Ooh. Hindi. I have many things to talk about now. I can't because it's all very sensitive. Not safe for YouTube, I guess. I need to find a way what to use. Maybe I will upload some trouble again. Okay, preemptive strike. Plus. There you go. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ow. Ow. Ooh. Cannot leave. No, cannot leave. There you go. What? Oh no. Okay. We will go back here because we want to get the items. Plus, we need to advance too. Okay, where is the... Okay. Southeast. Okay. Okay. Okay, magic E. They're all lead. Nice. Oh. Ito. Okay. Right then. Oh, wait, I think not there. I hear first, second, then third. Okay. There you go. Nice, dead. Okay. Hey, 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 flying object. Insects. Ooh. What the hell? Okay. Oh man, I didn't continue to play the game again. Oh yes, Summon Night. I forgot that. Summon Night. Yeah, I forgot that game. Oh man. Maybe later we'll put an episode about that later. Okay. Later on I will put an episode. I knew it. That's a mini boss, I think. Well, at least my supplies on potions is ready. Antidote. Okay, for now let's get some item. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. No. This. Oh yeah. No. Okay. This one. Thunder. Ooh. Easy. Easy defeat. Ow. Okay. There you go. Oof. Dead. Holy. Okay, nice. Okay, boss. Monsters, alright. Okay, ano. Here. Nice. Nice, it's cool. Oh dear. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, nice. Oh, okay, nice. We level up at the same time but different XP reach. Okay. There you go. Being dead. Okay. Oh, that was a waste of XP. Ow. Okay. No, you need to be killed. Oh, ow. Oh, nice. There you go. You're dead immediately. Okay. Okay. Ow. 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 Ouch. Ow. Okay, nice. I am sure there are monsters in that box. Ah, knew it. See? Okay. Oh. Okay, nice. Oh, huh. One hit. Silver armlet. Oh, wait. This guy. Okay. Nice. Let's just get back to the top again. Right. While I'm literally grinding. Then, oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Don't die, Mr. Black Mage. Oh yeah. Oh man. Yeah, I forgot to use that. Stupid me. Lee. There you go. There you go. Oof. center. Okay, nice. Oh. Oh my god. There you go. Okay, this does. Oh yeah, this is one. This is the one. Wow, that's a rare critical from Black Mage. Okay. Here you go. Then oh, 8, almost 20. I'm almost 20k. And then next, let's go to the dwarves. I know, Astos Castle. Let's go to the Astos Castle to unlock the other door there that is locked with Mystic Key. Okay. 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 Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay. Okay, nice. No. We need heal. White Mage is like praying, man. Oh man, I love this. Okay. I think... Wait. Okay, nice. Okay. Lead. Falchion? Falchion. Anywho. Ay, wait. This is not mine. I will... Can this guy... Oh, Falchion. Okay, nice. He can use that. Oh. Okay. This is the undead. Okay. I think this. Oh no. Oh, okay, nice. Power stuff. For who? Okay, let's use some magic to this guy, to this guy, to this guy. Okay, this item. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ow. Ow. Ah, yeah, of course. Let's go to normal attacks. Okay, nice. Dead. Okay, level up. Okay, steel gloves will be mine. Will be for this guy. Yeah, I think let's go to the dwarves. But for now, let's rest. 23,000, nice. Oh, but I need adamantite to convert on the name of the metal. Okay, for the strongest sword in the game. Okay. No, don't flee. Don't flee, don't flee. We need to beat you first. There you go. At least you can't die. Okay, let's go. Ow. Okay, nice. Let's go and supply ourselves. Yeah, then 2. I think 3. We need those, but not high potion because we can get it in the wild. I know it's stupid, but hey. Wait, no. Nope. Nope. Okay. Nice. I think we will go to the northwest. On the western of Cornelia. Nice. Here. Because we need to explode the rock on that deep in the ocean that is here in this map here. Okay, wait. That was pretty far for now. We need to get it. Okay. Those dwarfs are in the western side. Okay, I know it already. I know. Wait. There we go. Dead. Oh, nice. Okay. In the western side. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. If I'm correct. Okay. Western. Southern side. Ah, yeah, there you go. This cave. This is the cave I'm looking for. This is where the elves live. Dwarves. Then I forgot. Okay. Dalho. Oh, thank you for the donations. Via Crystal Eye, even the blind can see. I hear that the dark elf Astos nick the one belong to Matoya. Which Matoya? Okay, the same. If only I could have some. If only I could have some of the legendary metal adamantite, I'd be able to craft such a magical sword. Of course, I will find that the earth has started to rot. It began in the west, and the decay spreads north. I think it meant. Hey, Gabi, Smith in the smithy he is. I know. The son? Hey, that's Nerik smashing rocks in the back of the cave. Oh, I knew it. That sound? Hey, that's Nerik. He's smashing rocks in the back of the cave. Mind that when it comes to defense, a good armlet can be a very bit as vital as body armor. You should try one. You should try it sometime. Dalho, of course. I'm looking for some lavistone. It's supposed to be an amazing material that makes things float in the air. Okay. For now, we will finish this quest and end the episode because I am still tired. Okay. Nitro powder. The explosive force in this powder will have a canal open in no time flat. Aoi Bayerns. Okay. Oh no. There we go. Now we can blast this rock team smithereens. What you standing around for? The powder set to blue. Unless she plan on going with it, you best get while she still can. Yeah, of course. That's not safe. Nitrate, I think, was farther stronger in a chemical sense. Talking about there. I knew it. Okay. When the earthquake was so strong in one explosion. I cannot wait to see what lies out there beyond that tunnel. Oh, thank you. Wind killer, either. Wait. What's that? Okay, nice. Mithril mail. Give me that. Oh. Oh. Okay, mithril mail is useless. Okay, let's collect it. And great helm. Okay. Thank you for your sponsors. Thank you for your donations made. And then I will get the okay, let's save. This is the okay. This is the end of the episode. Do the usual YouTube stops. Follow for more episodes of this series, and thank you for watching, and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British for the